Hello and welcome to your distance healing meditation. Whether you want to send healing energy to a loved one or receive it for yourself, this practice will guide you to tap into the universal energy of love and compassion. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. If you'd like, you can light a candle, hold a crystal, or place an object nearby that represents the person or situation that you're sending healing energy to. Take a moment to close your eyes, relax, settle into your space, and take a deep breath in. Big exhale, let it go. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine or the soles of your feet. Imagine roots extending down from that space into the earth, reaching deep down all the way to the molten lava core of the earth. Feel the stability and support of the earth beneath you. Now bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, glowing light there. This is your source of love and healing energy. With each breath, feel this light grow brighter and stronger until it fills your entire body and beyond with this warm, glowing light. Now begin to call to mind the person, place, or situation you'd like to send healing energy to. Picture them in your mind's eye. Imagine them surrounded by a beautiful, radiant light. A light filled with love, peace, and healing. With each inhale, draw in more of this healing energy from the universe, pulling it into your heart center. And with each exhale, send this energy out to that person, place, or situation. Silently say, "May you be healed. May you be at peace. May you feel loved. May you be healed. May you be at peace. May you feel loved." Continue to visualize this light enveloping them, soothing and restoring them in every way that they need. And you're welcome to continue repeating, "May you be healed. May you be at peace. May you feel loved." Now begin to imagine that warm, glowing light from the universe flowing into your heart space, receiving healing energy for yourself. See it enter your body and fill you with love, strength, and peace. As you breathe in, feel this light dissolving any tension, pain, or worry. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Allow yourself to be completely open to receiving this gift of healing. Breathing in light, dissolving tension, pain, or worry. Exhaling and letting go. Now silently say to yourself, I am worthy of healing. I am whole. I am at peace. I am worthy of healing. I am whole. I am at peace. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bring your awareness to the life force energy flowing through your body. Recognizing that this universal energy of healing, love, peace, and connection is always within you. Begin to feel your physical body, maybe wiggling your fingers and toes. Place your hands over your heart, feel your heartbeat. And know that the healing energy you've sent and received today will continue to flow long after this meditation. Trust in its power and in the intention that you've set. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, keeping your gaze soft and allowing the room to slowly come back to you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.